What is up, guys? Lewis here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to Floyd Mayweather versus Conor McGregor, the press conference in Toronto. Apparently my friend said it was something funny, so let's get started.
Thank you. What's up, Toronto? How are you today?
Dang, they hype for this shit. What the fuck?
So when we were putting this deal together, I told these guys,
Sorry for my
you
messy
don't do a world tour
bed.
without stopping in
And
Canada,
oh,
baby.
one more thing. Sorry for the quality. It's ass, but whatever, we'll deal with it. So let's do it.
And as usual, you never fail to deliver, you guys. We love you very much. All right, let's get this show
Come on, let's do it.
The
Fuck you, man.
reigning, defending,
I got Conor
155-pound
McGregor
champion
winning
of
the fight, so
the notorious Conor
fuck Mayweather.
McGregor.
I like him and everything, but no. I got Conor McGregor winning this.
Does this mic work? Well then, fuck that mic.
Damn.
On the count of 3, I want everyone in this arena to scream at the top of your lungs. Mayweathers.
Oh my god.
1, 2.
Fuck the Mayweathers.
No. We can do better than that.
Yeah, for real, cause I want
When
McGregor to win, not Mayweather.
I want this entire arena to scream, fuck the Mayweathers.
Fuck the Mayweathers. Oh, and he just said that right in front of Mayweather's face. Oh shit. Damn, I didn't see that. He just said it right in his face.
Don't do shit. Do fucking nothing. And while we're at it, fuck Showtime too. You little weasel.
Sorry, guys, just
Look
checking
at
my
you,
phone
you
real
little
quick.
fucking weasel. I can see it in your eyes. You're a fucking bitch.
Damn.
Cut my mic off. Cut the champ's mic off. Hell no. You fucking weasel and you fucking bitch.
Damn, he roasting everybody, bro. What the fuck?
They're trying to set me up at every turn out here.
But they won't do shit because it's
They're trying to
McGregor.
catch me
It's not
off
like if
guard.
it was anybody,
Trying
some
to see
random
me in an
person,
uncomfortable position.
they probably knock the fuck
But I
out. But
thrive
no,
in
that's
uncomfortable
McGregor, bro. So
positions.
they won't do shit until the actual fight.
There is nothing these can do to faze me. 28 years of age. I'm getting fight checks and promoter checks. When Floyd was 28, he was on Oscar De La Hoya's undercard.
Damn.
And that's your facts.
Savage, bro.
What's up, Toronto? What's up, Ireland?
And this dude just sitting there sipping on his freaking cup.
Is an old, weak bitch.
God damn. Ole, ole, ole. Ole, ole. Hey, we're getting hyped in this. Let's
I
go.
want you to dance for me. You sing it, you dance. Dance for me, boy.
They really hyped him for this fight. What the fuck? Damn.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Hell no, you're not.
$50 strippers on his payroll this man has. What the fuck is he doing with that strip club? What the fuck? 50 stripper bitches on his payroll. Shout out to all the stripper bitches on his payroll. At least Rob Kardashian only had one.
Shit.
He had 50.
Oh my god, he's roasting him hard.
I'm not getting off this mic. I want him to come and take this mic off me.
He ain't gonna do
Otherwise, I'm
shit
taking
because he's
over this
sipping on that
whole
fucking
shit.
cup. I don't really think, oh, that's the end. Wow, that is some bullshit, bro. Alright. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to see more reaction videos, tweet me on Twitter, and I'll react to them. Anyways, it's been your boy Luis, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.